Welcome to Current Obsessions. If you're new to my channel, this series I have done for years, and it's where I talk about all of my favorite things that I buy, I love, I use, I wear. Today's video, I'm gonna actually take you through my house and show you where all of my stuff is and favorite things that I use and love on the regular. That way you guys know it's not staged. It's literally like our house is finally cleaned today. I was like, oh, I can actually show you guys. So let's start here in the closet. Okay, so this is my closet here. I'm gonna show you a couple pieces that I really love, you guys. You know that I love the long dusters. This duster is from Amazon. I'll link to it for you guys. It is so cute and so cozy. I'm not usually a plaid person, but this is just this nice flannel, and I got the black and white one because I'll wear black leggings with it and like a black lace camisole underneath to kind of make it a little bit sexy versus like the lumberjack style, you know, and I'll wear some black boots with it. It's super cute. I'll wear some super edgy jewelry with it. It kind of gives me the 90s vibe, and it comes in an XXL, so I am a size 18 to 20 up top, and this one fits me. Actually, I think I got the extra large. I did. You guys, you see that? It's extra large, so it's very roomy. So if you're a plus size, you will find something that fits you in that. So cute. So that's my go-to kind of duster for the fall and winter. Okay, this next outfit I want to show you guys is actually the sweater that I'm wearing right now. This is by Urban Revival. Look how cute this cardigan is. I'm obviously plus size. They do run about average size, maybe a little bit small. I had to get an XXL of this one, but do you guys see the pearl detail? Isn't this cute? It's so classy. I wear it with jeans. I wear it like I'm wearing leggings today and a black tank just to be super cozy, but you can dress it up, you can dress it down, and it's like super stretchy. The fabric is amazing quality. I was actually surprised when I got this, you guys, because I didn't think the quality would be good, because I think it was like around $60, and as a new brand, I was like, okay, I've never tried this brand before. I got it. I was really pleasantly surprised, and I think they just started selling on Amazon, so I will try to find a link to that as well. But I've gotten a few tops from Urban Revival, and it runs a little bit small, so if you're plus size, you've really got to get an XXL. I'm hoping they extend their size range just a little bit more, but for me, because it's stretchy, it worked. But I love the pearl detail. It's just a great classic everyday white cardigan. I was trying to think of what else to show you guys in my closet, but I do have this jacket here. I've talked about this one time before, but it's been a minute. I have this black silk trench coat from Lily Silk. It is such a classic, iconic trench coat. It's so comfortable. Their clothes are so well made. If you guys get a chance to get anything from the brand Lily Silk, I'll link to them below. This is not a sponsored video by them. They make amazing clothes. This trench coat is so classic. It'll be one of those pieces that I just keep in my collection forever because it's so long wearing, great quality, amazing customer service. Like, I can't say enough about this brand. I've never been disappointed with anything I buy from them. Like, even here, some of these silk shirts that you guys see are from Lily Silk. Like this blue silk blouse, that is from Lily Silk. They have great size range. Like this, I think is an extra large or maybe an extra large, but that's like a classic silk shirt. It comes in tons of different colors. I have it in blue. I have it in this olive green color. I've got it in pink. I've got it in white. So many colors. Like, their silk stuff is amazing. Oh, I gotta show you guys this red jacket that I got. I just bought this. I have not even worn it yet. It's super cute. You can see that it still has a tag on it because I just bought it. It's from the brand Madewell. Hold on. Okay, I'm gonna put this on for you guys, but I have to show you. It is a wool jacket. It's so cozy, so warm. I like that it's not lined. I hate lined jackets sometimes because they can feel very plasticky, but this is very soft and comfortable, but super warm. It's a crop jacket, so if you have a pear shape like me or a curvy shape, the bottom of it hits right at the waist, so it makes my waist look super tiny. Let me put it on to show you. Okay, so I gotta stand back here to show you guys. So this is the jacket. I wasn't sure if I should get a bigger size. I don't know if it's like a little too small. This is a large, by the way, and I never wear a large. So I kind of wore this in store, and I was asking everyone, I was like, should I get the next size up? Should I get an extra large? Like, no, if you get an extra large, I think the sleeves will be too bulky and big. So I always wear my stuff open, but I like that it hits right at the waist, so it makes my waist look very defined. But do you see the fabric? It's just super comfortable, super soft, and I love red. Like, I'm obsessed with red right now. I think red just looks great with my coloring, and it's a great pop of color. Like, if you're afraid to wear color and you always wear neutrals, I think red is a great staple to go to because it's classic, it's chic, it's elegant, and never goes out of style, goes with everything. Then the other thing I want to show you all is my jewelry. I am obsessed with layering different jewelries together, and you guys might recognize some of these pieces I have here, but especially this one, the Evil Eye. I've worn it in so many videos recently. It is my go-to for layering or even wearing on its own. It's so chic, it's so elegant. It's by the brand Idol. They make the most amazing lab-grown diamonds. I stopped buying traditional diamonds anymore just from the ethical standpoint of it. I don't want to support any sort of unfair labor practices and things like that. So buying from a brand like this, it has high quality diamonds that are just as amazing as traditional ones. They're ethically made. You don't have to worry about horrible labor practices and things like that. But this is my favorite necklace right here. I don't know if you guys can see that. So I love layering it. I wear this every single day now. And then on its own, it's so elegant and so chic. The other thing I like from the brand too is they have diamonds here. So you can buy studs in all sorts of sizes. But the coolest thing, you all, is they have these attachments that you can put with it to change the earrings. So you can keep the same diamond studs any size. Then you can buy these different pieces that you can wear with it. Let me just take this one out to show you all how it works. Hold on. Okay, so do you all see the diamond stud here? Then you can buy the different pieces. It has a ring in here that you could slide into the stud, and it gives you a completely different set of earrings. It is the coolest concept, y'all. It's like customization for your jewelry. So I love wearing that. This Evil Eye necklace is my favorite necklace of all time. They know how much I love their products, so they're sponsoring today's video, which I'm so grateful for because I really do love their products. But look how cute that necklace is. So if you see this in the video, it's by the brand Idol. I've talked about them on Instagram multiple times because I love the brand so much. So I'll link to all the information below if you guys want to check it out. But if you want a great Valentine present, or hint hint, have someone to get you one for Valentine's, I think it's a great option because they're ethically made, they're high quality diamonds, you don't have to worry about the labor practices, and they have the cutest styles, and you can customize them, which I think is such a cool concept. So after I turned 40, you all, I cannot wear heels anymore. I was like, when did I get to the age where I cannot wear heels? I have tons and tons of shoes that are tall heels, you guys. I cannot wear them. When I had my daughter at 40, I had her later in life, no one told me that your feet change. Did you guys know this when you get pregnant, that your feet completely change sizes? I used to be an 8.5, you all. I am a 10 now. A 10. It's not like my feet grew just a little bit. They grew an entire size and a half. So I had to buy all new shoes in the last couple years because I kept thinking my feet would shrink back down. They didn't. So all my beautiful shoes I had before I had my daughter, gone. I can't wear them anymore. So all of that is to say I went shoe shopping and I found these heels. These are from Amazon, you all. They are so comfortable. I have to do the kitten heel now, you guys. I am at this stage in life. I am embracing it. I am loving it. It is what it is. So this is the extent of heel that I can wear now. Any taller than this, my feet are killing me. I'm dying. I don't want to be uncomfortable anymore. I just don't care. I don't care. So if I have to wear kitten heels, I'm going to wear them. But you know what? I heard they're in trend for this year. So we are rocking and rolling with the kitten heels and we are not caring what anyone thinks. But these not cute, you guys? Look at the chain on the back. I got another pair in red. They haven't come yet. They're like a patent leather candy apple red. I'm so freaking excited. But I got the black ones and I wear this with everything. That black trench coat, I wear them with that. I'll wear them with jeans and a white button up. Like so many ways you can wear these shoes. They're so comfortable. They're so classy and they go with everything. Okay, then I just bought these at Amazon as well. You can tell because they are not worn. I've actually worn them. I don't know why they look like they're brand new, but I did buy these recently. I don't know the brand. I will try to find it for you guys. It's Coot Go. Coot Go. I don't know what that is, but they look like Hermes sandals. I don't care. I don't care that it's like inspired by the brand. They're very comfortable and they're cute and they go with everything. Look at, aren't those cute? And it has the block heel. So if you have a hard time walking in kitten heels or you just need something stable for your feet, these are so comfortable, you guys. Like I'm plus size, I'm 45. I don't be effing around with uncomfortable shoes anymore. And I feel like these are cute heels that you can just wear for every day. They go with the jeans, they go with a skirt, they go with a dress, they just go with everything. It's just a great staple shoe and they were super affordable and they feels like real leather. It's very soft and pliable. Like they feel like such high quality shoes, but I think these were like $40 as well. They were super inexpensive. So I'll find the link for those for you guys, but look how cute. Okay, I'll give you a little house tour while we're in here. Okay, so that's my office. This is where I do all my Zoom meetings and things like that. You can see I have like my 2 lights. So when I do my, oh, I gotta show you this candle. Hold on. This is an obsession as well. You guys, if you have not tried anything by Illuminar, this is an independent woman-owned brand. It's owned by Karina. She does fragrance content on YouTube and Instagram, and she's such a sweetheart, you guys. I bought several of her candles. They're so good. They have the wood burning wick in there, so they crackle when you burn them. My favorite is the pumpkin spice. And then I have another one, a gourmand one that's in the bathroom. Like every candle that she's done is absolutely beautiful. So I really like those right now. So I keep this one. I'm gonna have to buy another one soon here on my desk. And I think I have more in the bathroom. Let's go look. This is the other one. This is Silk Mood. Oh my gosh, you guys, so good. So this one has plum, suede, and vanilla. Like this is sexy candle. That's why it's in the bedroom. Like if you want to be cozy, sexy, just like it says, Silk Mood is a great name for it. They are so well blended. It's a gorgeous fragrance. And I love that it's a sleek jar, elegant label. They burn super nice. I love the crackling wick in there. It's absolutely beautiful. Okay, I have to show you the other candle that I like. This is by Life Therapy. already, if you guys have not tried any products, and I've talked about them several times, the brand owner's name is Lynette. She's an absolute genuine sweetheart. Her candles, her body care are super amazing. They're very fresh, they're clean, they're made with high quality ingredients. If you are someone that wants a clean brand of body care, absolutely amazing. I love the Loved scent. She has different scents that are all meant to evict a mood, a vibe. So I love these so much. So that's a candle I'm burning right now in the bathroom, is this one. It's so beautiful, very clean and elegant. Okay, so I've got my drawer here of all my skincare stuff. I'm trying to think of what to show you guys. You all know I love the Haru Wonder. Like everything from this brand is absolutely insane. I love their deep cleansing oil. It's so good for removing your makeup. This is my second bottle now. It just removes your makeup incredibly well. Like everything I've gotten from the brand is really good. Also, if you guys do not have this SPF, what are you doing with your life? It is the best SPF. It's not greasy, absorbs into your skin, has SPF 50 plus. This is a Korean brand, very affordable. You can get them on Amazon. Great stuff. And then another Korean brand that I absolutely love is this one. It's called Regelica. You all, this is such a great brand for anti-aging. I mean, all of their stuff is really good, but this is my favorite moisturizer. Has bakuchiol in there, which is a natural alternative to retinol. Has seaweed extracts, has niacinamide. Please use niacinamide in your skincare routine. You'll thank me later. Helps with skin texture, brightening the skin, cleaning the pores. So many benefits to that. This is a powerhouse formula. You can tell how much I love it because I've gone through the tube. This is my second or third tube that I've gone through by now because it's that good. It's a very moisturizing, high quality, just a great women-owned brand as well. Okay, we gotta go back to the closet. You guys know I have to pick a perfume. You know I love perfume. Like, look at this. This is just my tray for this month, but there's all of these, and there's several upstairs I'm filming with you guys. Like, I don't play when it comes to fragrance. So let me show you in my tray just a couple that I'm wearing for this month. I got this one, this Cacao by Mason Tahiti. It is so good. Vicious Cacao. If you love a chocolate fragrance, it's a little bit drier. So this is not going to be sweet, you know, candied gourmand. This is more of a dry cacao, but if you mix it with a beautiful vanilla, like I like mixing it. Everyone has this by now. It's viral on TikTok, the Bianco Latte. I like this one. It's a nice lactonic, creamy vanilla fragrance, but it's a little bit sweet for me. So I actually wear it with the cacao one here. So I mix these two together. And then from the Marseille brand, you guys know I got to do a shout out for Une Nuit Parisienne. This is my second or third bottle by now, but this is my go-to for fall and winter. It is a gorgeous amber fragrance with some hazelnut in there. It's sexy. It's a little bit sensual. If you love a good amber fragrance that's very unique, very niche smelling, this is incredible. It's my go-to for fall and winter. My husband wears it as well, so we share this one. On him, it goes a little bit more spicy. On me, it goes a little bit more sweet. So depending on who's wearing it, it can change a little bit. It's absolutely gorgeous. My favorite from our line, actually. Okay, now we're in the kitchen. I gotta show you guys a couple things. I actually need to restock it. So I just started using these packets by Amra. Have you guys heard of this brand? I think a lot of people are talking about it now. I mix these with my water. It has colostrum in there, so it's supposed to be good for so many things for your health. I'll link to it below if you guys want. But I get the Immune Revival, the blood orange one. It is so good. This gets me to drink my water. So I'll show you what I do. So what I do is I get my big old Stanley cup, I'll pour some water in it, and then I'll put a packet of the Amra in there, and I go through 2 or 3 of these a day. And then I have this little hand mixer that I use, and I just put it in there and mix it together. And that's what I drink every day. Let me open it up to show you guys. Hold on. I don't know if you guys can see. It's foamy because I mixed it, but I am on my third bottle for today. So that's how I get my water down, is I just have my, look, my cute pink Stanley cup. And then I just take these packets with me everywhere and throw it in there. And that's how it gets me to drink my water. Because apparently I'm a child and I can't drink water like a normal adult. Okay, let's not go in the pantry, you guys. Please don't judge my pantry. This is the cleanest it'll ever be. Usually it's a hot effing mess. Oh, I gotta show you what's next. Hold on. This, you guys, I don't know if they're still selling this. I stocked up before Christmas was over. They have, I guess they have limited editions maybe, or like variations for different seasons. The white chocolate peppermint boom chicka popcorn. You guys, it's so good. I'm not saying this is healthy. It has some white chocolate in there, but you'd think it'd be gross with the peppermint. It's not. It's really delicious. It's just slightly sweet, not too much. It's perfect. I bought 5 bags of it because I was scared that they don't sell it anymore. So I'll check and see if they still sell it. If they do, grab some. Thank me later. Okay, what else is in here? These, Audie likes these. We get these for Audie because we try not to give her candy and things like that. But if we do give her a treat, we'll give her one of these because they only have 2 grams of sugar. They're these Smart Sweets. We get the peach rings. I think they have different flavors, but but this is the one that she likes the most, so that's really good. It's like, I guess, healthy-ish candy, if there is such a thing. Okay, I have one last thing to show you guys is this blanket right here. I got this on Amazon. It feels exactly like the Barefoot Dreams. Let me bring this in the light so you guys can see. Like, do you all see how soft this is? Look at the texture of that. It is so plush, so pliable. Everyone fights over these blankets. The dogs want them. Audie wants them. My husband and I want them. I'm gonna have to buy some more because it is the softest blanket. I only bought one because I wasn't sure if it'd be good quality. It's so good, you guys. So I got that on Amazon. I don't remember the price. I think it was maybe $30 or $40, but it seriously feels like Barefoot Dreams, but way cheaper. Okay, you guys, thanks for joining me in my house for this month's current obsessions. I'll see you next month. And I promise I will find a funky item. I mean, I could show you guys a couple in my closet, but it would make this video not rated G anymore, so.